Guys, middleware is a component that is assembled into the application pipeline to handle the request and responses. So how can understand this definition? So imagine a set of methods that execute one after another whenever you receive the request. In this case, those methods are called as a middleware. For example, we have received a request, then the first middleware executes, and then the second one, and then the third one, and so on. So after completion of execution for all the middlewares, then the response will get back to the browser. So the middlewares are chained one after another and they execute in the some sequence how they are created or added. Initially the application request pipeline is empty and then you will add the middleware one by one. So assume that we have added the first middleware and the second one and then third one and so on, as many as you want. Each middleware performs a single operation. That means we are trying to implement single responsibility principle. For example, the first middleware implements the HTTP redirection and second middleware enables static files and redirection, and then the third one enables the authentication. The fourth one enables authorization. Like this, each middleware performs an individual single operation. In this way, it is easy to understand the purpose of each middleware and easily you can compose the sequence of middleware execution. For example, in case if you don't want to single particular operation, you can remove that particular middleware without affecting the functionality of other middlewares. That is the underlying goal of middleware, and you can create middlewares in two ways. The middleware can be at the request delegate. That means either an anonymous method or a lambda expression. It is okay for a simple operations, but in case the middleware functionality is a bit larger, you can write the same code in separate middleware classes. So in general, the middleware can be either single anonymous method or a lambda expressions, or also can be a class. And moreover, there is no rule that each middleware has to forward the request to the next subsequent middleware. For example, the middleware 2 don't want to send the request to the subsequent middlewares, so it may not. So such middleware is called a terminal middleware or short circuiting middleware.